removing the cap on the headlight, you have to turn it counterclockwise. So as you're standing above the headlight looking down, you're turning it towards your right hand. Alright, so I'm using the right hand side for demonstration. But see that thing right there that you have to turn off to be able to get the headlight off? Yeah, so the best tool is to use one of these. Come at it from the side and then grip it, and then it comes right off. See, because I've got the cap removed. And then, see the bulb, I got that out because you just turn it in the same direction, counterclockwise, and then pull, and then you can replace the bulb. Alright, and then that clips from the harness side. You just pop the clip to get it off, pressing there. I've already replaced the bulb, so now I'm just going to put it back in. Alright, they gave the bulb in. It's basically just reverse the steps of getting it out. You have to feel around and twist it back in. It's too tight back there to really get video. But now, check it out. And I'm upgrading these headlights soon because they're not bright enough. And done. Now all I have to do is just put the cap back on. Let's see. Alright, so there's 4 spots. Okay, cool. And then just tighten it back on. It's easier to tighten it than it is to loosen it. But yeah, just, a pair of whatever the fuck kind of Stanley grippers these are. And that's all I need. No need to take everything apart.